Hi, to enable and disable 5G on your Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G, first thing we need to do is find and open settings. Now in settings, you will need to choose this tab Mobile Networks, and if you got two SIM cards inserted, you will need to choose which you want to change first. So you'll need to just tap it and then find this section Preferred Network Type. So once you tap this preferred network type settings, you should see four options: 2G only, prefer 3G, prefer LTE, which is 4G, and prefer 5G. So if you would like to enable 5G, make sure to tap it like that and check, so it will light up blue and this check mark will appear. Now let's check whether we enabled 5G or not. For that, I'm gonna disable Wi-Fi. And yes, now we can see this 5G marking in the status bar. If you wanna disable 5G, go back in mobile networks, choose your SIM card, go in preferred network type, and simply select any other option, for example, LTE. And now you should see 4G marking in the status bar. And if you cannot see it, make sure that mobile data is enabled so the switcher is blue. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.